burpy burp. Let me get this
Just
hand
got done
under.
eating.
He's doing pretty good.
Get Mommy's face in here.
Hello. I know, my goodness. Mommy will get to be better at this. Oh, so pissed.
I know. I'm not used to wearing a shirt.
He gets squealy.
Like Dad, running around without a shirt on.
There he goes. There
Warmer.
we go. Gets better, huh? Let's see. Ready?
Swaddle time.
Let's lay you down for a second. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now you got to figure out how to close this shirt of yours. Yeah. You silly little man. There you go. There you go.
That's better.
Oh, you're gonna be okay.
I know, end of the world.
Oh. Oh, pissed.
This is what you sounded like when you were a baby, Clay.
So super pissed.
I like to be wrapped up.
There.
Put his hat on.
Oh, is that better? Mommy didn't do a super good job, but pretty good. All right.